Hello lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing great. On today's video, we'll be making a detachable sleeve, and I'm using this picture as an illustration on how you can make detachable sleeve. I'll be showing you patterns and procedures to follow to make yours. For those who haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please like and subscribe to our channel. God bless you. And to all our subscribers, you guys are the best. God bless you and reward you richly. The first thing we are going to do is you are going to take your sleeve pattern and you are going to draw lines on it. You draw the lines, use 2 inches or 3 inches, depends on you. After drawing the lines, this is what you have. Then what you are going to do is slash and spread. Place it on another pattern paper and cut it out. After cutting it out, this is your sleeve. I'm just going to show you illustration. This is different sleeve and this is how you are going to cut yours when doing your sleeve pattern. This is another method. This is another one that I found and I said I should show you. Pause the video and follow the pictorial illustration. This is mine and I've made the first one and it's very easy to make. What I did was I'm just going to fold it in because of the elastic. You fold it and you fold it in once, then you fold it again the second time. That's what you are going to do when you are sewing yours. So do it this way. There are different methods to make the sleeve. You can do it straight, you can do it with your sleeve pattern if you want to. I went ahead and I stitched mine. After stitching it, I took my elastic and I inserted it. Then what you do is you take the measurement of your armhole and also of the place you want the sleeve to stop. If you want it at the wrist, you are going to take the measurement, but this is a puff sleeve, just very short one. I took the measurement of my elbow circumference and I cut it out. Your elbow circumference and also your round armhole. You cut it out and you insert it on the sleeve, the up and the down part. Because it's a detachable sleeve, that's the main reason why I'm doing this. But you can also do this and attach it to the dress. You stitch it up and attach it. Stitch both sides together to keep the elastic firm. After stitching the elastic part, you are going to fold it and stitch the two sides. I'm done with the elastic and you are going to fold it now and you are going to stitch the two sides. Stretch it as much as you can for it to have that beautiful effect and stitch it up. This is very easy. This is for those who want to make detachable sleeve for their dresses and you want to wear this dress to 2 different places and you want to wear with a sleeve and you don't want with a sleeve, so you can just have your own alternative and dress according to the way you want to. This is it. I'm done stitching it. This is how it looks. This is both piece and that was what I used for the dress of my previous video. This is how it looks. It's very pretty and nice. I'm sorry I could not show you the other part, bear with me. So this is how it looks. I made 2 pieces for both the left and the right. So check it out. I inserted it on my mannequin and I wanted you to see it. Check it out, guys. Please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is just a short description on how to make the detachable sleeve. God bless you guys. Bye.